This week we'll be working on Chapter 7, the skeletal system. You have Chapter 7 lecture assignment and the lecture quiz. For Chapter 7, I am posting a Zoom lecture. Be sure to print your notes as I tell you to do each week. Print your notes, have those notes, and listen to the lecture that goes along with the PowerPoint. And you will be, after just spending a very short amount of time, they're under an hour, you'll be prepared for your quiz. And then you take your quiz, and then you do your Lab 8, and you're going to have a Lab 8 homework and Lab 8 quiz, but you're going to have your Unit Test 3 that will be due by Sunday night, March 24th, before 11:59 p.m. So be sure that you work on that throughout the week and that you study Chapter 6 and 7. Chapter 6 and 7. I'm also working on a quizzes game that you can play on your phone or on the computer, and I think it will really help you study and do well on the Chapter 6 and 7 unit test. This is not a proctored exam. You may use your notes, but you've got to be very prepared prior to studying for this. Thank you. Have a great week. Study hard. Please do not wait until the last minute to do your work.